Yeah. So this is a dandy pine log. Look at this. Where's the measuring tape? Here. Can you hold that over there? Go over there and hold that tape. Over there and hold the tape. .20" right now from edge to edge. What's it? Can you just bring it into the Cambrian edge there? That's it. Yeah, now it's 19. From Cambrian to Cambrian. And here we've got, on this end, we got 22. Hold that for a minute. Hold the tape, will you?
23.
23 inches. 20, that's to the outside of the bark. I'm talking about to the Cambrian.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, we'll get some good slabs out of this one.
You want the length?
What?
Do you want the length?
Yeah, just give me the length for now. I don't know what it is. I think it's 10'6". Oh, this one's 12 foot. Ooh. It's a 12 footer. Come over here for a minute.